If I had a waterfall, we wouldn't wonder not at all how much fun each day was gonna be. If I had a mountaintop, I know we would never stop climbing way high up to look and see. If I had a jellyfish, bet you we would never miss a single peanut butter kiss or squeeze. If I had a waterfall, it might not make no sense at all. That won't matter much to you and me. Babies get born even in a war. I guess just to show us what living is for. And my heart still believes that love for what we need can be enough if we'll just stop keeping score. If I had a big giraffe, tried to dance and made us laugh, every smile and giggle would be free. If I had a big moonlight, we'd turn it back on every night, just so the dark could try and get some sleep. And if I had a rocket ship, we'd go places really quick, then have the time to stop and get ice cream. And if I had a big giraffe, he'd have to take a real long bath. And that's why waterfalls are really neat. Babies get born even in a war. I guess just to show us what living is for. And my heart still believes that love for what we need can be enough if we'll just stop keeping score. If I had an everything, we could stand out in the rain, only feel the drops we wanted to. If I had a wonderful, we could play out in the snow, never have to wear our socks and shoes. If I had a pot of luck, we wouldn't have to spend $1 and get all the stuff we need for a sneeze. And if I had an everything, we wouldn't get wet in the rain, and riding waterfalls would be a breeze. And if I had a big giraffe, he'd have to take a real long bath. And that's why waterfalls